elf ears or ear for cosplay. Wait a moment. I have a little flu, so I sound like a duck. So sorry. To make this ear, we are going to need a flexible mass to make the shape of a ear. So little by little, we are going to modeling a ear. So we make in the top of the ear a little point with our modeling mass. When we are right with our ear, it's time to put latex. So first layer of latex, or first latex layer. With a little brush, we are going to put latex in the whole ear. Remember to put layer in the back of the ear. When this first layer of latex is dry, it's time to put the second layer. Second layer of latex. Now it's time to put the base color. In this case, I'm going to use acrylic paint, but you can use every single paint that you want. When the paint is absolutely dry, you can put the third layer of latex. When this last layer is absolutely dry, you can put the makeup and look like this ear. This ear is with makeup, and now have both with makeup. With the help of a pointer, we'll dispose the edge, and then with translucent powder or touch powder, a brush and a pointer, we'll empty the ear until it's clean. So you need that this ear is absolutely clean. With a wet towel, we will remove the excess of dust. Do not moist the latex, so don't put in water. And we will have ready our ear to a cosplay or that you want. I hope that you like this tutorial. Share, subscribe, and give some loves to this video on the channel too. So see you in the next video or next tutorial. Goodbye.